Okay, I'm going to show you how to set up a page scroller. First of all, what is a page scroller? A page scroller is a fully fluid ad unit that actually lives as a full page like this. As you can see, it's a full page, and it's actually set up as a parallax, like it's almost like a background in the page. And you can serve it into any kind of slot mid-page as such. And you can also set up the page scroller not to be 100%, but to be 50%. Because it is a fully fluid, no matter what size you go to, as you can see as I shrink this down, you always have a full page. So it was kind of it's a nice unit, for the magazine industry, because if you think about it, as you go from page to page in a print magazine, you always get a full page. So as you can see here, even in landscape mode, you get a full page, and even on mobile, you can see here, here's a mobile screen about the size of a mobile screen, and as you can see there, so that's the page scroller, and I'm going to show you how to build this. So when you're in an account and you need to lay out a fully fluid. As you can see here, you have to lay out a fully fluid. As you can see here, this is a fully fluid unit. And it also incorporates animation. And you see here there were safe areas put in at the top and the bottom. You could have the image. What meant by safe area is just not have any text or CTA. And that's for when you have page scrollers that are less than 100. So if it's 50% and only takes up a section of the page, it's very hard to see the whole ad unit with the top and the bottom. So that's why you have the safe areas. If you do a 100% page scroller, you do not need the safe areas. So once you build out a fully fluid, and you can add as many sizes as you need here, not to worry about them, you basically go to deploy and track. You make sure everything is published, and it's blue here. And then when you actually go to grab the ad tag, you could set up your deployment, set up your click-through URL, make sure the fully fluid format is selected, maybe give it a deployment name as such. And then when you go to grab the ad tag, like this, underneath the advanced options, you can see there's page scroller. So if you enable the page scroller, and then you copy the tag to a clipboard, and then you save it, that's how you basically set up a page scroller. So in this case here, as you can see, the height is 100%. And then you just serve this into the mid-page ad slot, and it is taken care of. It puts it behind the page, pushes up the page, and adds kind of custom JavaScript to enable it. If you have a problem in setting that up, please contact us at support@responsiveads.com, and we will have a look at your page and see if you need any additional custom script for your page. Thank you very much, and happy page scrollering. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.